Hello my people, in this video we will see how to withdraw Lazada Wallet to Maya, right? And remember, want to move your Lazada Wallet balance to your Maya account? It's super easy and takes just a few taps. Let's go. First, open your Lazada app and tap on the wallet icon at the top right of your account page. Next, look for the cash out or cash in button. Remember, you need a verified wallet to see this option. Click and you will see your balance. Here, select withdraw and select an account to withdraw. In this case, withdrawal deposit. Click continue, add bank account, select bank, and here Maya Philippines in Maya Wallet. You will complete full legal name and account number. Click and agree to Lazada My Collect and click add bank account. Right. Click you complete here the amount, and here you will see amount to receive. Click in continue and click in confirm withdraw. You scribe the code, click in verify code, and right. Remember, review your Maya detail, hit confirm, and verify the OTP sent to your phone. The funds will arrive in your Maya account shortly, and that's everything, everyone. That's all. If you liked the video, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.